I hope you all are fine and in a good mood after the vacation. Now we'll start our revision work. Children, many of you have asked me in the blog, is the SST book has been changed of class 5th? So the answer is, children, yes. The SST book has been changed and the name of the book is My Big Book Class 5 from Ratna Sagar. And from that book, children, we have already done 3 chapters. The name of the first chapter is Know Your Planet. Second chapter is Parallel and Meridian. Third chapter is Movement of the Earth. Children, I have given already I have given the notes on these 3 chapters. I hope you all have completed your notes in the copy. One more thing I would like to tell you, children, the notes are available on the Google Classroom. So children, those who have not got the notes or those who have not joined before, so it is very beneficial for you. Anytime you can go and see in the Google Classroom and note down the notes from there. You need not to ask your friends to give or lend their copies to you. You can copy down the notes from the Google Classroom and complete your work. So children, now we'll do the revision part of the chapters which we have already done. The first chapter is Know Your Planet. Second chapter is Parallels and Meridian. Third chapter is Movement of the Earth. So from the first chapter we'll start Know Your Planet. Children, before we start the chapter, I would like to ask you 2 questions from the book itself. I hope you have gone through the chapter. I hope you have written and completed the chapter. And children, those who have not written or those who are not joined before, so don't worry, you can join now and take the notes and go through the chapter. And you can join us and you can be the part of revision. You can be the part now, and now as we are doing the revision work, you can know what is there and what is taught in the first chapter. Children, the 2 questions which I want to ask you all from this chapter 1, Know Your Planet, is you have to note down these 2 questions. You have to learn them. You have to find them and learn them and make a video of it. You have to learn them, you have to make a video of it, and you have to send it to me in the Google Classroom, in the assignment section. Okay children, please note down these 2 questions. The first question is, write the names of the 2 planets. Write the names of the 2 planets. 1. Whose name starts with the letter M? Children, I repeat the question. Whose names start with the letter M? Another question, second question is, which planet lies beyond Saturn? Which planet lies beyond Saturn? कौन सा planet Saturn के पीछे है? पीछे कौन सा planet आता है Saturn के? That you have to write. First you have to find out, you have to record and take a video, send it to me on the Google Classroom. That's all for today children. See you in the next class.